Hey Flutter developers, today we're tackling a common hurdle that many of us have faced, the dreaded RenderFlex Overflowed error. Yep, the one that makes our layouts misbehave and causes a bit of Flutter frustration. But fear not, because in this video, we're not just identifying the problem, we're conquering it together. Get ready for a troubleshooting journey where we unravel the mysteries behind this error, understand its roots, and most importantly, implement effective solutions. So, if you've ever been perplexed by RenderFlex Overflow issues, you're in the right place. Let's troubleshoot, debug, and smooth out those Flutter wrinkles. The error often occurs when a column or row has a child widget that isn't constrained in its size. For example, this code snippet demonstrates a common scenario. In the above example, the column tries to be wider than the space the row its parent can allocate to it, causing an overflow error. Why does the column try to do that? To understand this layout behavior, you need to know how Flutter framework performs layout. To perform layout, Flutter walks the render tree in a depth-first traversal and passes down size constraints from parent to child. Children respond by passing up a size to their parent object within the constraints the parent established. In this case, the row widget doesn't constrain the size of its children, nor does the column widget, lacking constraints from its parent widget. The second text widget tries to be as wide as all the characters it needs to display. The self-determined width of the text widget then gets adopted by the column, which clashes with the maximum amount of horizontal space its parent, the row widget, can provide. Well, you need to make sure the column won't attempt to be wider than it can be. To achieve this, you need to constrain its width. One way to do it is to wrap the column in an expanded widget. As you can see, our layout now behaves correctly and does not generate an error. Another way is to wrap the column in a flexible widget and specify a flex factor. In fact, the expanded widget is equivalent to the flexible widget with a flex factor of 1, as its source code shows. To further understand how to use the flex widget in Flutter layouts, wait for next exciting video in the future. Thanks for riding along. If you enjoyed the Flutter journey, show some love, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. Your support fuels our Flutter adventures. Happy coding!